What can I say? When it comes to getting free accommodations, we're pretty blessed. Our friends David and Dana invited us to Big Bear for New Year's, so we went up there December 31st and came back down on January 1st. We usually spend New Year's in Big Bear anyways, because our friend Scott and Liz also have a cabin up there. So we're definitely blessed. Our drive up was easy, no traffic. Even though it was December 31st, I figured it was going to be full of traffic. Nothing like that. We got up there nice and easy. We get to David and Dana's cabin and we unpack everything. From there on, of course, what are we going to do? We're going to go off-roading. He's got a Jeep. That's a tan Jeep you're looking at in the video. So we decided to go ahead and follow him, and he took us on some trails, which were absolutely beautiful, as you can see from the pictures. We ended up in Belleville, Holcomb Valley. And as you can see, there's a cabin there that's been built since the 1950s, if I'm not mistaken. My wife would probably know more about that. We kind of farted around there for a little bit, hung out, took some pictures, and then we started heading back out again. We finished our adventure and found ourselves back at the cabin to relax, have some drinks, get a fire going, and play some games. Right around 7 p.m., it started snowing, and it just kept progressively getting worse as time went. So we woke up in the morning, put the dogs out, let them enjoy the snow, and then proceeded to go get breakfast and start riding our way down. And this is where it all falls apart. Because unfortunately, the snow is pretty heavy, as you can see. Heavy for California. Let me rephrase that. So we started heading down, and sure enough, as we started going down the mountain, there is traffic everywhere. It's a mess. There's two-wheel drive Honda Civics and Camrys and anything under the sun that doesn't belong there trying to get up the hill. Some of them got stuck halfway up the hill. Some of them were off on ditches. We saw accidents. We saw, and on top of that, the people that were stuck going up the hill literally got stuck in the middle of the road, creating a nightmare for traffic. I want to thank our buddy David and Dana for inviting us on a fantastic trip. I'm looking forward to doing it again. Also, our friends Scott and Liz for inviting us in the previous years as well, which were not available this year. And I look forward to making another video about this next year.